Now back to you.
Nursing home visits have been front and center as Connecticut continues to tackle the coronavirus.
This morning, Keith McGilvery is at the Southington Care Center with a look at some creativity that's helping reconnect families there. Hey, Keith, good morning.
Creativity indeed. Good morning. Miles Brown with Amenta Emma Architects joining me this morning, part of a team, an award-winning team being recognized for their work here at the Southington Care Center. You are joining me this morning. Thank you for your time. And we are here because of this great outdoor space you've been able to craft as we kind of adjust to the new normal during the coronavirus. So as we take our Fox 61 drone video up above, we're looking off in this direction. Describe for me the canvas you started with and kind of what your goal was in all of this.
Sure. The canvas we started with was a kind of a raw exterior space with not a lot going on, and an interior space that was a little bit dark and didn't have a lot of room for engagement with the residents. So what we tried to do here was to create a strong connection between the inside space and the outside space, because we know how important it is for the residents to connect with nature and to connect with natural light and the kinds of things that help our well-being improve. So the design that we came up with was to really open up the wall between the nurses' station, an indoor living space, and the exterior, to make that really linear connection between the inside and the outside, and to bring the natural light in, and also to create a space that welcomed residents to come to this outdoor space. The existing space had a hard concrete pavement floor. We introduced an artificial turf surface that looks and feels like real grass, but is easily accessible for residents. It's really important that the residents have a space that they can come out to, that is easy to access, is usable, is comfortable. So as you can see up above, we've created a shade element that provides a really comfortable space in the summertime. The space that was not as comfortable for the residents. Go ahead.
I was just going to say, we know that our nursing home community, that these residents have struggled in ways many of us have not had to during this coronavirus pandemic. Talk to us on an emotional level, to be able to be involved in a project like this. What is the impact you want to have on the folks who call this place home, who have really struggled for some time?
Yeah, it's extremely rewarding to us when we can come back to a space and see the impact that's been created. That's why we do what we do. At Amenta Emma Architects, we have a belief that design matters, and we share that with our clients. And to see the residents using the space and smiling and being outdoors and having that strong connection is extremely rewarding, and to us. And that's and it's great that the client can appreciate, and the staff, that the staff gets to see the residents in that space is extremely rewarding and important as well.
Our congratulations on your award here and the work that you've done. I appreciate your time. Sure. You can come work on my yard whenever you want. A reminder that we are here at 9 o'clock as well. Coming up at 9, we will hear from a resident. Her name is Rose. She calls this place home, and she loves to garden. So how fitting is that? More good news from Southington as the Fox 61 Morning News continues. But for now, back to you guys.
Right, Keith. Thanks so much.